Staying sane during a sexual betrayal experience can be very difficult for a partner. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. I'm here to support partners in sexual betrayal, whether that be pornography use, sexual acting out in any way, or infidelity. My role is to help explain to partners what's going on with men who are wrapped up in unwanted sexual behaviors, and to help the partner understand that the journey of a partner, unfortunately, is different than the journey for a man who is roped into these sexual behaviors. But the journeys run side by side towards healing. And that is what I want partners to know. In my program, Sanity After Betrayal, the role that I play is I support partners so they can feel strong and confident navigating their way through this difficult situation. And what that involves is a digital program that explains the ins and outs of sexual betrayal, betrayal trauma for the partner, and what a partner can do to feel strong and grab the reins of their own life during this situation. This group also includes bi-weekly group meetings with me and my team face-to-face. You can keep your camera off if you want it off in the meantime, but it's an intimate group, being able to share information, ask all the questions that a partner needs to ask, and get the answers from a professional in a closed forum. There's also a monthly workshop. Any question that partners have can be answered in this monthly workshop in an organized fashion by me. At the same time, there's an unlimited discussion board. In a closed private forum, we're able to go back and forth and be able to contemplate the difficult but important pieces of the puzzle in sexual betrayal trauma. So if you are inspired, please check out the link below, sign up for Sanity After Betrayal, and let's get to doing the work of healing so you can get back to the life that you want and you deserve. Okay, in the meantime, stay sane, my friend, and I hope to see you in the program.